Hi, my name is Maya. I'm a library assistant in Youth Services of Mesa County Central Library, and I'm going to show you how to grow a microgreens garden. This activity will be a great way for kids to learn how plants grow and how easy it can be to use items that you probably have at home to grow your own food. You will need an egg carton, soil pellet, seeds, clothespin, cardstock, crayons, tape, scissors, and water. First, place the soil pellet in water for 5 to 10 minutes until it is fully soaked. While the soil pellet is soaking, you can decorate your egg carton and label. You can draw directly on the egg carton with the crayons. The seeds contain a combination of edible greens, so you can label them greens or microgreens. Once you have a decorated label, you can tape it onto the clothespin. Place the label writing side down, place the clothespin on top, and secure with a piece of tape. Any tape should work, but masking tape works well on paper. Your soil pellet should be fully hydrated, so you can place it in the egg carton and either cut with scissors or remove the cloth with your fingers so that you can fluff up the top layer of soil. Make a depression in the center of the soil pellet, place some seeds, and cover them with some of the dirt. Now all you need to do is place your microgreens garden near a window and keep the soil damp. A spray bottle works best, but you can simply pour water on top if you don't have one. Consider placing it near a window that does not get too much direct sunlight so that it doesn't dry out too quickly. And watch them grow. This will take a few days, so be patient. As soon as you see leaves, you can pick them off and nibble on them if you want to see what they taste like. You can also wait until they are sufficiently tall and then cut them at the base and toss them in a salad or sandwich. We hope you enjoyed this Take and Make kit. If you are interested in learning more, consider checking out the Seed Library at Mesa County Central Library, where you can take home seeds, get information on gardening and saving seeds, and recommendations for gardening books. Please show us your greens garden by posting it to social media and tagging us at Mesa County Lib.